Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of Editing Basics. In this tutorial episode, we will be learning how to add text in Snapseed application. Adding text in Snapseed application is a straightforward process, so here is how you can do it. Open up your Snapseed application from your app drawer. Once you open up the app, tap on the button where it says plus on the middle of the screen. Select a picture from your device's library, or you can also tap on the camera option and click a picture for yourself to import. Here I'm just gonna select a picture from the device's library. Once you choose a picture and import it, tap on the Tools option located at the bottom of the screen. From the Tools option, scroll down and tap on Text. Now that you've opened up the Text tool, double tap on the image and then enter the text you'd like to add. Once you do that, click on OK. Now, you can resize your text by pinching and dragging on the text box to reposition it in the image. Once you put it on a desired position, you can now go to the bottom of the screen and customize your text using the options provided. Tap on the little color palette icon and then choose the color for your text. Once you pick a color of your choice, go to the next option where it says opacity and then adjust the opacity of the text by dragging the slider. You can also use this last option and choose the style for your text. Stylize your text according to your need and then tap on the tick mark at the bottom right corner in order to save your changes. Once you're satisfied with the text and its customization, you can now tap on the export button at the bottom right. You can either save the edited image to your device's camera roll by tapping on save or save a copy option, and then that way you will be able to export your edited image as well. That is how you can add text in Snapseed using your mobile device in just a couple of minutes. If you found the tutorial to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.